Class A fires. Class B fires. Class C fires. Class D fires. Class K fires. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Extinguishers. CO2 extinguishers are suitable for Class B and Class C fires. Foam extinguishers. Foam extinguishers are effective against Class A and Class B fires. Wet chemical extinguishers. Wet chemical extinguishers are designed specifically for Class K fires. The steps of using a fire extinguisher. Pull the safety pin. In an emergency, the first step is to pull the safety pin located on the top of the fire extinguisher. This pin prevents accidental discharge and ensures the extinguisher is ready for use. Grasp the pin firmly and pull it out in a swift motion. Aim at the base of the fire. Next, aim the nozzle of the fire extinguisher at the base of the fire. It's important to target the source of the fire rather than the flames. Remember, by aiming at the base, you cut off the fire's supply of fuel and increase your chances of extinguishing it successfully. Squeeze the handle. Now, with a firm grip on the extinguisher's handle, squeeze it to release the extinguishing agent. The pressure will propel the agent out of the nozzle and towards the fire. Maintain control of the extinguisher as you squeeze the handle, ensuring a steady and consistent discharge. Sweep side to side. Once the extinguishing agent starts to discharge, sweep the nozzle from side to side across the base of the fire. Use a sweeping motion while maintaining focus on the source of the fire. This action helps to smother the flames and extinguish the fire effectively. Continue sweeping until the fire is completely out.